Hey guys, welcome back to another Midweek Minute from River City Sports. I'm Zach, and on this week's Midweek Minute, I'm going to show you how to use a cordless drill and a Winch Driver Drill Bit adapter to help you raise your crank frame ice castle faster. So first, you have to take that handle off of your winch. Use a standard 20-volt half-inch drill. Put that drill bit on the low setting and then slowly crank it up. As you can see, the drill is doing most of the work for me. And when you're just about all the way up, it'll stop automatically for you. Put that pin in. And make sure to remember to take that tension off that. Put that handle back on. And loosen it. Come check out the drill bit adapter and make sure you guys have fun camping in your ice castles this summer.